So we came to Chulilla. Parking spot costs 4 euros for car for whole day till 8 p.m. So it will be whole day. It's like a popular touristic spot. A lot of Giris strangers coming here, and you will see why. Beautiful nature, mountains, castle, and now we are going straight to Charco Azul. This is castle actually here, and we are going to start off the route. The route to Charco Azul starts straight in the middle of the village. It's small village anyway. So we are coming now to main plaza, where there's few restaurants. Usually old people stays here for coffee, drink and something else. All white houses, typically Spanish village. Okay, we need to go. Okay, it's Chulilla Castle. I think we need to go here. Yeah. Charco Azul, Las Cuevas. Charco Azul. To left. And here we will go down. For Charco Azul, caves will be on the left side. See, our parking is over there. Here a little bit down will be kind of a strange place. Like a piece of art. I will show you. Look at this beautiful canyon. This is the place. I think author was collecting everything what he found and made it to art pieces. Obviously he has artistic soul. Here it is. Look at that. Hey, what's up? Really? Water? Look at this boat. And this is another piece of unknown artist. Looks scary, isn't it? It's spring and very good time for walking, so I think will be a lot of people over there at Charco Azul. But keep hope to get this place without visitors in this time. It's not really probably, but hope dies last. Downstairs there is a river, so there is a different type of trees, everything green. Oh, look at this. Alpinists over there. Of alpinists climbing. I think we will meet some more of alpinists because it's popular. What? Okay, this road is closed. But we are going down. And we will go straight there to the end of a canyon. There are some caves over there. Also visitable. Water, that's why everything so green here. There is the river downstairs. Let's see how we'll cross river. Oh, we don't need to. Charco Azul to the right. You see a lot of people because here it's kinda wet weather because of a lot of humidity. Not that hot like upstairs. Beautiful views.
¿Pero qué se han puesto?
No sé.
Oh, people are bathing. Whoa. I think this is made from rain and because before it was just walkable area, now it's much bigger, so all these floods which happened in Valencia affected this area also, you know. This one new. I was here I think last time. I have little changes here, you know. So these bridges wasn't here. And I think the road was there where now water is. So small changes. Nature always finds his own way. There is one route over there upstairs, but we will keep going here because we are going to Charco Azul and it's close, so it's easy route, probably half an hour one way. 1 hour, 1.5 hours to come and came back. So, but look at this, it's amazing. And it's full of water. Last time when I was here, it wasn't so much, you know. Like I told before, it's a touristic spot, Everyone wants photo for Instagram on the bridge which is going to Charco Azul. So it's quite popular.
Según el libro no están obligadas. ¿No? No, pero no te lo ponía tan descaradamente.
Yeah, over there it's finished. No. Ah no, they just stopped here. Thought that it's finished, but no. We need to go left. And find look what's made over here. We are coming to final view. Be ready. It will be in just few seconds.
Hola.
So a lot of people coming here. Let's check how much. We just crossed some maybe 10 people group, and I think it will be full of people on the bridge. And here we come. This is the spot. Oh, there is no bridge. Oh my god. Seems rain destroyed bridge. Oh, look at that. Should be here, this bridge. But it's so hard raining. Destroyed a little bit Instagram spot. There was also walking area, but it's broke, so it's prohibited go there. We can go here where kids are. So this bridge should be here, but looks like no. Strong raining just took it away, you know. lot of water was coming from there, so it made to move this bridge. Oh, Instagram spot is broke. I don't know how much it will take to repair, but for a moment it's not like for taking photos, you know. It's a beautiful place to live. Look at this view. Actually, this house is like my dream house. Imagine getting coffee with these views. That would be grateful. Now we are looking for a church. From there we will get to castle. It's old castle, mostly ruins, but views from there, wow, impressive. You will see, I will show you. We're going from the right way. Where? Castillo, it means castle. It's over 140 meters.
Hola, buenas.
Buenas. Typically Spanish streets, flowers, white houses, red flowers. Look so grateful. Look at this. So wide. Of course now it's nearly close to PM, so everyone is going to have a lunchtime. 20 meters. Should be over the corner, the castle. 20 meters, I finished. Okay, this is the castle. Finally we got to entrance to the castle. Let's go inside. It's not much to see, but the views are impressive, you know. That's why we came here, for the best views. Also here there is hanging bridges, two bridges. We're quite close, but today we won't visit there because the route will be extended to about 20 kilometers. So let's keep this route for another trip, another opportunity. Maybe not on holidays, between the week when less people will be here. Oh, it's so good to be in the shadow. It's spring, but the sun is doing his work. Old catacombs. Let's go here. This is the way up. Church and whole village you can see from here. So we are getting to the viewpoint, which is for me personally the best here in this castle, and I will show you why. So you can get amazing photos here in this window, all straight in the mirador, the watching area. You will see how it looks from there. It's built straight on a rock, and to get from this side, okay, let's go. Let's start from here. The river. Normally there is no water, you know. And look at this. Rocks. Oh, it's not river, actually. A little bit water, but mostly it's some black material. It looks like water from the top. Let's go there to the point for making photos. I don't think this paint from ancient people, some unknown artist, stupid as hell, did this. Okay, let's climb up here. Okay. Wow. So we're coming back to entrance, but we won't go out. We will go to another viewing spot, which is up there. So let's go and check it out, what we will see there. Oh, this side is a little bit windy. It's lunchtime. All bars are full. Noise, typically Spanish lunchtime. Oh, look at this. Water made some damages here. Big steps. And here we are. Not that long way to go, but look at this view. I think this side will be used to village. Look, my dream house. White houses, small village, really beautiful. Spanish gem. And here we are visiting church. Oh, look at this beautiful area. Flowers, small streets, white houses. Mountain not working. But let's go downstairs. And for today enough. Looks like main entrance. Oh, but looks it's wrong, because now it's around 2. Look, it's grapes everywhere. These houses. Coming up.
Es que yo tampoco tomo ni aceite, yo todas las salsas esas yo no las pruebo.
Pero cuando comes carne no comes pan.
Ooh, looks like angry duck somewhere. Ah, right there. Ooh. Another restaurant. Quite nice place. It's not too touristic. Ah, it's hostel. Finally we go to main area again. And we are going to parking now, which is on that side. Looks like fun. Beer. Maybe I will get some beer. Okay, see you guys on the next video. So here we are in parking, you know, and we was in the castle. So there is one route which is going to hanging bridges. Okay, but I think I want to climb over there to final view to see. It's easy here. We'll see what's next. Looks like a lot of people was here. Shape. Maybe, who knows? Okay. And here we are.